welcome back to my light whip tutorial series. On this week's tutorial, we're going to be looking at transitions. So we're going to look at how to transition from your handle grip to your fiber grip. So in order to transition from your handle grip to your fiber grip, there are so many different ways that you can do this. However, I'm just going to show you guys 2 tricks for each way that have worked for me that I consistently use. So just because I use them consistently does not mean this is the best way or the right way. You really do need to find what works best for you, but these are just some ideas to get you guys started. So the first type of transition is going from your handle grip to your fiber grip. So there are different ways that you can transition from your handle to your fibers, but the ways that I tend to usually do it is just, I go from my body tracing and lacing, and then I grab my whip and extend it, and then I just drop the handle. And as I drop the handle, I just continue to fiber wield. And as you notice, I just went from my fiber wielding to my handle grip. So, doing that again, say you're body tracing and lacing, extend the whip and then just drop. And then begin with your fiber wielding. And then to go from the fiber wielding to the handle grip, I just allow my whip to stall out and then I bring it back. So all I'm doing is catching my handle, and I'm doing it in a smooth motion so that the transition looks clean rather than me just kind of, oh no, how do I grab this, and fumbling with it. So it does take practice and time in order to get these transitions to be smooth, but really all I'm doing is doing stalls and then bringing it to me. So stall to the left, bring it to me. Stall to the right, bring it to me. So all you're doing is darting your whip hand out and then bringing it back to you. Because remember, the whip will go wherever you direct it. So if I'm directing it outwards and I bring it back, that is now a transition. And then another way that I go from my handle grip to my fiber grip is by actually shooting out my whip. So it's similar to just letting it go, except you're gonna grab the handle, and as you're grabbing it, you're going to continue and shoot it out, rather than just grabbing it and letting go. So you're gonna run your hand along the fibers and then just continue and dart it out. And then you could continue with your fiber wielding. So, remember, first one, drop. Second one, dart it out. Another way that you could go from your fiber wielding to your handle grip is by going from a specific trick. So a trick that I know is commonly used to go from fiber wielding to the handle grip is a neck wrap. But instead of actually doing the full neck wrap, you're just going to allow your whip to come to the horizontal, and then you're going to grab it by the handle, and then from there you can continue into your body tracing. So doing that again, you would do a neck wrap, so going over your neck, but then instead of continuing your neck wrap and allowing it to come off your neck, you're just gonna leave your neck at the horizontal so that you can catch your whip here. So doing that one more time. And just make sure you are ready to catch your whip, because if you don't catch your whip on time, your handle is gonna fly and hit you in the head. So just be prepared when you do this trick to catch your whip. So keep in mind, these are just a few transition ideas. You can modify them as little or as much as you want in order to suit your whip flow. This is just something that's worked for me. And definitely remember that the more you practice, the easier that this is going to be to you. And just remember to comment, like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, definitely let me know in the comments below. So happy whipping, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.